Hi there. So I've been thinking of how I can be helpful to you guys who are cooking more now than ever, that you're in quarantine and not able to go out to restaurants as much as you used to. Um, and a lot of Facebook groups have popped up, and so many people are making their own food, which I love hearing. Um, I want to help you. I can teach you how to make things you have on hand in your cupboard or pantry, refrigerator, freezer. Um, Sometimes the recipe calls for something you don't have, but you have something that you can substitute it for. And sometimes it works out and sometimes it doesn't. But the important part is you get over your fear of it not turning out perfect or the way it's supposed to, and just try it. I do a lot of food experimentation and subbing ingredients that I don't have on hand or adding stuff that I think might be good. Um, so I encourage you to be adventurous, bold, take a risk, and cook. Experiment. Add a little bit of this, a little bit of that. You might, you never know, it might turn out good, or it might turn out, you know, not so edible, but that's okay. I would highly suggest as a new cook to make something based off a recipe and follow the steps as best as you can. As a more experienced and seasoned home cook, I've been able to improvise a lot more. But the only way I got there was by starting with recipes and doing it like they tell you to in the recipe. You know, the measurements, the ingredients, the cooking time, all of that. Um, but I want you to get there. I want you to get to a point where you can improv and add stuff you think might go well. You just need to know the basics of cooking and the flavor that goes together. Um, Garlic, onion, butter goes really well together. Start with something simple. Eggs. Try different variations of eggs. Scrambled eggs, um, omelets, eggs over easy, sunny side up eggs, poached eggs, hard boiled eggs, soft boiled eggs, oven eggs. Eggs are so versatile, and it's a good beginner dish to make. And eggs are also very nutritious and affordable. So if you mess it up, no big deal. Of um, cooking method, using a variety of cooking methods. Obviously on the stove with a little pan, and the oven, and the air fryer, and a griddle, um, in the Instant Pot. Um, and sous vide eggs. So, um, probably in the slow cooker. I'm not a big fan of slow cooker, um, because it's slow. I like to eat my food, uh, as fast as I can.